Hi, Zach. Looks like your chart is terrific, but that maybe the wrong data was selected before you established the chart in the spreadsheet. And why I say that is because when I look at the legend there along the bottom, it says Series 1, Series 2, and it should say, I have to remind myself, but it should say electric, gas, water, and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to click right on the legend. Under the Design tab, I'm going to click Select Data. And then here where for every series we can then fix it. So it's on Series 1, I'm going to click Edit, and the Series 1 name is Electric. And I can tell that because of the values. It's the B column, because they're tight. And then we'll go down to Series 2, select Edit, that's gas. Okay, Series 3, Edit, water. And the last one, Series 4, is our monthly totals, and I'll click OK. And then click OK to that. All right, and the reason that that doesn't show up properly, 9 times out of 10 that doesn't show up properly, because the wrong range was selected before the chart began. So if you ever see that in the future, when you're working on this chapter, or if you continue on to intermediate and you continue with charts, it's just easiest to delete the chart and start again. Just make sure you grab the labels. Okay, and then because of that, there was another step that was not indicated that as complete, and that is that we had to filter out monthly totals. And I'm guessing you didn't know how to filter it out because it didn't say monthly totals. So I click the little filter icon here, and then I'm going to deselect, remove the check mark from monthly totals, and going to click Apply. And there, now that fourth, the yellow columns are gone, and that's that step. I think it's step D or E. That was the only other thing that was wrong with your chart. The rest of the work for Chapter 3 looked great. Email me if you have any questions.